First, remove the floorboard. I like to break them loose by hand, and then it's okay to use a power tool. Try to avoid using a ball socket, they tend to snap. As I said, this should be done by a professional technician. It's a little bit more in depth. You're gonna basically just remove the entire exhaust system, whether it's stock or aftermarket, what have you. So we'll go ahead and remove this entire exhaust system. So we're almost there. Remove the O2 sensor plugs, remove the exhaust head pipe, and it gives us access to the cam cover. I'm gonna break all the fasteners loose and then grab a gun and buzz them out of there. Tap the side of the cam cover and it'll break loose. There's your oil. I'm gonna pull the cam cover off with the gasket. You're gonna wanna get a new gasket. There's your oil pump and cam chest assembly. I got this nifty little tool that cleans the threads. I'm gonna reuse the stock fasteners and apply fresh Loctite. So at this point, I'm just wiping it down, getting the excess oil off so we have a clean, dry gasket surface. I start all of the fasteners a little bit, then I float the cam cover in and out to make sure that the gasket is, number one, has the bolts going through all the holes and the gasket is floating in a nice position before I torque it. It's a quarter 20 bolts, 120 inch-pounds, and you want to go in a cross pattern. So you snug them down, and you torque them down in a cross pattern. Cam cover's installed. You got your window. Cool to see the stuff moving inside. That's your cam chain and cam gear. Start the bike. Enjoy. This is a cosmetic part, but it's very cool.